Hello everyone, in this video we will be doing a age calculator using VS Code. So in this I'm using Jupyter notebook. Initially I added a markdown which is age calculator. Now I will take code. So for calculating age, what we require is date of birth. So initially we can collect date of birth, but before that I'll add 2 to 3 code blocks. So here we will import the libraries. Here we will write the codes, and we will execute the final output. Okay. So first of all, what we will be requiring is import pandas as pd. So we will be requiring pandas to convert the date. So this I'll run and keep. Okay. So now what we need is date of birth. So date of birth we'll collect as dob user equal to. So what we'll be collecting date of birth. Enter your date of birth. Okay. So if I run this one, it will be asking for date of birth. For example, if I type 2018, so this is my date of birth, and I'll print date of birth here. So what we have collected that one. So this is our date of birth, right? So we will see the type of date of birth. So this is type of date of birth, it is string, but actually we need is date. So we have to convert this into date. So for that, what we can do, uh, here only we can do like pd dot to date time, and we will specify the user to give in a particular format. Okay, so what is that format is dd yy, and also we will specify in this, like user will be giving this type of format, which is dd, okay, and 4 y's, right? So in percentage we will take capital letter. Okay, so now we'll execute this one. It's 26/11/2018. So now we got the input, and let's see the type. So what it is showing is, it is showing a timestamp. Let us print it and check. Okay, and it is showing it is in a timestamp format. It is showing hours also. So we'll convert this into date. 26/11/2018, and we'll check this one. Now it is showing it as date time, and also we'll see the type is date type. Okay, now it is coming correct. So now we have collected the date from the date of birth from the user. Now we will be requiring today's date. So for today's date, what we have to import is from date time, import date time. So how we will get today's date is today equal to datetime dot today. We will see today. So it is coming dot date. Okay, so it has to come on a date. Initially, if I take this one, if you see this, it is showing timestamp also. So we don't require that one. We just require only this one. Right, so I'll just cut this one and paste it here. So we have got dob user and today. Now we need date of birth in this format, like your date of birth is, sorry, your age is 7 years, 10 months, 16 days. So in this format we will require the output. Okay, so this output I'll just cut, and I'll add a markdown required output format. Okay, I'll remove this one and I'll execute this. So this is our required format. Okay, so we have collected dob and today. So let us print and check, like dob user, what we have collected 26/11/2018, and what is today is 27/11 and 2025. Okay, now we need the difference. Okay, difference in age, difference in months, and difference in days. So for this I'll show you a library. So this is a link. Okay, so here we can see how you have to go. Here I'll show you dateutil. Go to this website. Okay, so in this you will be finding this one. See, from dateutil.relativedelta import star, it is showing like this. And from this you can go to here. The documentation is hosted at this one. Okay, so in this you find relative date. Okay, it is unable to find, but this one. Okay, this is the library which we have to import, and you can see the examples here. So in relative data we can see the examples. Just click this one, you will find here. So to find the difference between 2 days, you can use this relative data function, which have 2 arguments, which is datetime 1 and datetime 2. So by using this we can extract year, month, day, hour. See, years, months, weeks, days. So currently we require these 2 and these days. Okay, so this one we will take it here. So for that, what we have to do, we have to import this one. Which one we have to import? This one, right? So I'll just paste it here. I don't import star, I'll import relative delta only. Okay, I have executed it again. I won't execute this one. Yes, DOB equal to, I'll show you one by one output. Okay, so relative delta, in relative delta we have to give today and DOB user. Now we will say DOB dot years. Okay, how many years it is showing? 7 years. You understood? And now we will check months as 0 months, which is correct, and days is 1 day. Okay, first of all we'll execute this one. I'll execute this also. I'll type something, the date as 24/04/1985. Okay, so this is executed. Now we will see it's showing 3 days. We'll check the years initially. So it is showing 40 years, which is correct. Okay, now we will print this one. Print, so we'll take f string. So how we need your age is, we take dob dot years comma dob months onths comma dob dot days is days that's why. And also we will print, here we will print, okay, your date of birth. This date of birth is dob user. Okay, so I'll take a new line and I'll just print this one. Right, if you see this, your date of birth is this one and your age is this. So in this way you can show the users like their age. Now you combine all the code in one go. I'll take this one, I'll take new, take age calculator.py, and this I'll take this one, and also I'll take this, also I'll take this one. Okay, so this is the final code for age calculator. I'll just save this and I'll just run in the terminal python.py. So initially it will be asking to enter the date of birth. Let's say for example 15 was 1947 is enter, and if you are born in 1947 then your age will be this one. See, it is showing your date of birth as well as it is showing your age is 78 years 3 months and 12 days. So this is just a simple age calculator. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share it with your friends.